Hocus Pocus. For this investigation, I'm just following the rules. Would you read step number 1 for me? Brielle, loud and proud.
Place the ruler on a flat table or desktop.
Done. Number 2. Savannah, loud and proud.
Put the north end of one bar magnet and the south end of other magnet at the 15-centimeter mark of the ruler.
So we're putting the north end at the 15 and the south end at the 15. Is that how you guys are reading that too?
Yeah.
So the reason we're using centimeters is because it's a scientific experiment. So we're going to have to use centimeters to measure because that's what all scientists and actually every country other than the United States uses. So I'm putting both of these on my 15 centimeters, which is the skinnier side, the smaller measurement sides on my ruler. Putting both of them at 15. Who can tell me what happens? What happened, Maddie?
They attract.
Maddie, what happened? Did it move at all? Okay, so I'm going to create a table to record what happens. Okay?
We don't have a table.
That's why we're creating it right here. For trial 1. The trial, the position, and our observation. So, this was our first trial, and we put north and south at 15 centimeters. Who can describe for me what happened again? Maddie, go ahead.
It did not move.
Didn't move. No movement. Are you guys ready for trial 2?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. Trial 2 is step 4. Who can read step 4 for me? Loud and proud, Ellie.
Leave the bar magnet with the north end at the 15
Centimeter.
centimeter mark. Move the other magnet to the 17 centimeter.
Okay, so we're officially lining them up 2 centimeters apart from each other. Do you guys see that?
Yeah.
Because it goes from 15 to 16 to 17. And I'm going to let go. Are you ready?
Yep.
Oh,
We're hurting the magnetic field.
what happened? This time I put the north at 15 centimeters and south at 17 centimeters. So they're 2 centimeters apart. What happened? Brielle, they did not connect. No movement.
No connection.
SVMNT is my shortcut for that. And they did not connect. On the first one, did they connect?
No. Yes. No.
Yes, the first one they did connect. So would it make sense for us to make this gap larger or smaller now? Smaller. Let's test it. Let's put them just 1 centimeter apart. So this time we're going to keep north at 15. What should I put south at, third grade?
16.
Let's try 16. We'll just shrink it so they're only 1 centimeter apart and see what happens.
It's gonna stick.
You think?
Yeah.
Let's see how strong this magnetic field is. Okay, north at 15, south at 16. Are you ready?
Yep. It's gonna stick. No. It's not.
Oh, what happened?
Moved and stick.
They moved to connect. Should we try in between 16 and 17 now?
Yes.
So let's try for our last trial. Well, we'll try it so they're like 1.5 centimeters apart. North will stay at 15. South will be at 16.5. Okay? I'm curious about your prediction. Stand up if you think that that's far enough. If you think 1.5 centimeters distance is too far, that's not going to connect. How many of you think that's true? Because 2 centimeters was too far. 1 centimeter worked. How about in between? Is 1 centimeter gonna work or not?
Work.
You don't think it's gonna work? Well, let's find out. North is staying at 15. And I want to zoom in actually to my magnet so you guys can see my measurements here. North is at 15. The reason I know where 16 and a half is because,
bigger line.
yep, it's the bigger line in between 16 and 17, so I'm lining it up. North is at 15, south is at 16 and a half. Are you ready?
Yep. That's gonna connect.
Too much? What if I give it just a little nudge? I barely nudged it. So I'm curious how far we can go. Let's find out. Let's go 16 and a quarter. That's in between 16 and 16 and a half.
Stick.
Still no.
It's gonna stick.
Still no. How about I go one more little line?
Yeah.
So these bar magnets only have a magnetic field of how far?
1 centimeter.
Only 1 centimeter's distance of magnetic field. That's really something good to know. I'm going to pause this here.